Okay, so jumping right into this creepy clown look. We almost wanted to look like we are wearing a mask for this look, so I'm going around and creating this mask shape on my face with this white cream paint. This is just Color White from Makeup Forever, a nice opaque white cream paint. I'm taking this on a flat brush and I'm going very slowly, making sure the line is nice and crisp and even all the way around the face. And then once you have the shape mapped out, you can fill the rest in. I like to use patting motions when I'm putting on a white cream paint to make it very opaque and not streaky. And then I'm just taking this white powder and I am setting underneath my eyes. Sorry, I'm coughing. I'm still quite sick, as you can probably hear in my voice right now. And then I'm taking this peachy shade from Sugarpill and we are going to start adding some contour to the face for the next steps. So I'm just throwing that under my cheekbones, a little bit on the chin, and then I'm going to be contouring my eyes with this as well, and a little bit down the nose too. So this is just going to add a little bit of definition and also a little pop of color too. And then you can take this under the eyes, but this was kind of pointless because this ended up being covered up later anyways, so you can ignore that. And then taking a light shimmery shade on the center of the lid to help make it stand out a little bit more, I just chose to go for this light peach color, taking that on the inner corner of the eye as well, making sure that pops. And then next we're going to be highlighting the face. You can take any light gold highlighter. I'm sticking with warm tones for this look, and I'm just popping that as usual on all the high points of my face, staying within the mask that we have created. And then next, I'm going to be whitening out my eyebrows. You can also choose to do a bold brow for this look too, like a nice bold clown eyebrow. So just personal preference, I just chose to make them white. And then taking these two pink cream color sticks from Makeup Forever, I'm just doing some little bubble clown cheeks because I think these are super cute and it kind of helps to balance out the creepiness, have a little bit of cute in there. And then for the lips, I just chose to go with a black to add a little creepiness factor in there. So I'm just using this black liquid lipstick from Smashbox, and I'm just making sure the line is nice and clean and crisp with this. And then extending the mouth for that added clown look, I'm just taking more of the liquid lip on a fine brush, and I'm just extending the corners of the mouth and making a nice fine point on each side. And then once you're done applying it to the lips, you can take some more liquid lipstick and smudge it down underneath the mouth, really to grunge it up and make it look like it's dripping out of the mouth. This adds a nice, like, grungy, kind of creepy look. And then I'm just placing that on the brush, and then I kind of blend it out with my finger to help really make it smudgy and messy. And then just quickly lining my eyes with a nice simple black liner, and then I'm also taking that underneath the eye on the waterline and then smudging that out onto the lower lash line as well. And then just taking some black eyeshadow, smudging that out even more, and also setting the black liner. And then a look just wouldn't be complete without a drip. I am so into drips coming down from the eyes, from the mouth, as you guys know, I'm sure. So I just took some black water activated paint for the drip, and then I'm just adding a little bit more down under the eye just to really make it creepy. And then taking the same paint we used for the cheeks, I'm adding my cute little clown nose, and I'm just taking some white paint and doing a couple little highlights on the cheeks and nose as well, just to make it look like it has a bit of shine. And then I just added some black mascara, quickly popped on some super dramatic lashes, a little neck, I don't even know what you would call this, like a little neck collar, and then a bow, which I added on with lash glue because I have no hair to stick that bow in. And I popped in these contacts too. These are from Camo Eyes. I will have these linked down below. You guys can use my code and get 10% off your order. They're my favorite contacts. They have so many creepy ones to choose from that really help to complete a Halloween look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!